Have you ever pondered over the complexity that lies behind the whirring blades of a helicopter? The sheer ingenuity that lifts these machines off the ground? Today, we unravel the mysteries of how the most advanced helicopters in the world are made. The journey of a helicopter from a mere idea to a flying marvel is a fascinating one. It begins, as all great things do, with a concept. Engineers and designers brainstorm to sketch out the blueprint of a helicopter that not only looks sleek, but is also functional. They use advanced computer software to create a digital model of the helicopter, accounting for every detail, from the size and shape of the rotor blades to the positioning of the engine. Once the design is finalized, the manufacturing process kicks off. The first step is the fabrication of the airframe, which forms the skeleton of the helicopter. High-strength, lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber composites are used to ensure that the helicopter can withstand the pressures of flight while maintaining an optimal weight. Next in line is the assembly of the rotor system, the heart of a helicopter. The main rotor, which provides lift, and the tail rotor, which controls the direction of the helicopter, are precisely crafted and balanced. The blades are made of composite materials and are designed to withstand extreme speed and weather conditions. Concurrently, the engine, the powerhouse of the helicopter, is meticulously built. Turbine engines, known for their power and reliability, are the most common type in modern helicopters. These engines are tested rigorously for safety and performance before they are installed. The helicopter then moves to the avionics installation phase. This involves fitting the cockpit with advanced navigation and communication systems. The latest helicopters often feature glass cockpits with digital displays, enhancing the pilot's situational awareness and providing a wealth of real-time information. The final step is the painting and finishing of the helicopter. This involves not just aesthetic considerations, but also the application of specific coatings to protect the aircraft from environmental factors. In summary, the making of advanced helicopters is an intricate process that combines engineering prowess, innovative design, and meticulous craftsmanship. It starts with a concept, followed by the fabrication of the airframe and the assembly of the rotor system. The engine is then built and installed. Next, the avionics are fitted, and finally, the helicopter is painted and finished. The result is a marvel of modern technology, a machine that defies gravity, braves the elements, and takes us to the skies. The intricacy and sophistication involved in creating these flying machines truly emphasize the marvels of human innovation and the limitless potential of aviation technology. From the drawing board to the skies, each step in the process is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of advancement. This is the story behind every whir and hum of the most advanced helicopters in the world.